अच्छा सुनो, बुआ पैसे दें तो रख मत लेना, ओके?
बाकी तरह कोई आइटम
टेक केयर।
अनकही बातों से,
बाय बुआ।
प्यारी सी सौगातों से, गुल्लक अपने दिल
बाय
की
बुआ।
तुम
बाय,
भरो।
ऑल द बेस्ट।
छुट्टे की झिक झिक की छुट्टी करो,
अब छुट्टी की झिक झिक करो। झिक झिक क्यों? पेटीएम करो।
माइल्स में तुम थोड़ी सी स्माइल भरो।
आपका हुआ 295।
गोली देना बंद करो, बस एक स्कैन में डन करो।
हैव अ नाइस डे।
थैंक यू।
पेटीएम कर रहा हूँ, सेल्फी नहीं ले
बटुए
रहा
को तुम गुल करो, मस्ती की टंकी फुल करो, हर मौके को कैच करो।
बिजली का बिल।
बिल मैं भरूंगा।
तुझे तो पहले से ही झटके लग रहे हैं। ला।
क्यों? मुझे कोई कैशबैक से एलर्जी है।
कैशबैक पे ऐश करो।
जॉय दैट्स माय सन, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर। फोटो ली?
मिस हो गई।
चलो अगले शो में ले लेना।
छोटी खुशियों को फिर से जियो,
जिंदगी जीने का नया तरीका शुरू करो।
पेटीएम करो।
Hello everyone, I Krapanksha along with my team Ali, Navya, Ansh and Agam. Today we are excited to share with you the remarkable journey of Paytm, a company that has transformed the way we think about money, payments and digital transactions in India. Now Ali will tell you how the idea for setting up this online business came in the mind of Mr. Vijay Shekhar sir.
Let's start with identifying the market gap. Back in the early 2000s, India was in the midst of mobile revolution. Mobile phone had become a necessity in every household, but the payment landscape was stuck in the past. Cash was still the dominant mode of transaction, and the idea of making payment digitally was still foreign to most people. While millions of mobile users were emerging, there was a clear gap, a lack of digital solution that allowed people to make payments seamlessly. This gap was not just about convenience, it was about trust. People were skeptical about using digital payment method, and there was no unified platform that could make it easy for people to pay, transfer money, or even recharge their phones. The core problem was clear. India needed a way to bridge the gap between the digital world and traditional payments.
This leads to a remarkable journey of a wonderful beginning. So now I call Navya to continue.
In 2010, Paytm was born to fill this gap. Founded by Mr. Vijay Shekhar Sharma, Paytm started as a small mobile recharge platform, but the idea was always bigger. Vijay's vision was not only to provide a recharge service, but also to create a comprehensive digital payment ecosystem that could address the unique demand for easy, secure, and cashless transactions.
Now Agam will tell you about 3 initial challenges faced by our entrepreneur.
Initial challenges. However, the road was far from easy. In the beginning, digital payments were still out of sale. People were reluctant to trust an app with their money, and smartphones were not as widespread as they are today. On top of that, the infrastructure needed for secure digital payment was still under development. The changes wasn't just technological, it was about changing consumer behaviors and convincing them digital payment could be secure and reliable.
This is really interesting to know how Mr. Sharma overcome these challenges. Now I would like to call Ansh to continue.
Overcoming challenges. Vijay and his team did not give up. They understood that these challenges, they needed to focus on building trust. Paytm started offering a simple service, mobile recharge, and something people were already familiar with. By offering this service in a digital format, they began to gain trust and familiarity amongst users. As mobile internet connectivity improved and smartphones become more affordable, people slowly began to realize the convenience of digital payments.
Now, I'll tell you how these challenges were solved. In 2014, Paytm launched its mobile wallet. This marked a significant shift. The wallet allowed users to store money digitally and make payments for a variety of services. Beyond just mobile recharges, whether it was paying bill, booking tickets online, or buying products online, Paytm became a one-stop solution for all digital transactions. The unique selling proposition of Paytm's wallet wasn't just about ease of use, but also about security and trust. With encrypted transactions, users felt safer making payment digitally. This was a pivotal movement in Paytm's evolution, and it transformed the way millions of people interacted with money, moving towards scaling up of online business.
By 2016, Paytm was scaling rapidly. The company had grown from a simple recharge platform to a complete financial ecosystem, offering bill payments, ticket bookings, and even financial service like loans and insurance. During 2016, demonetization in India, Paytm seized the moment as people rushed to exchange their cash. Paytm became the go-to platform for digital payments. This was a turning point where Paytm became a household name. Its user base grew exponentially. The company's ability to scale its service during this time was a testament to its adaptability and the growing needs for digital solutions.
This story is not just about a small beginning, but about achieving unicorn status of a business.
Achieving unicorn status. In 2018, Paytm reached a major milestone. Its valuation exceeded $1 billion, making it a unicorn. This was a reflection of not only its business success but also its culture shift that it had helped to create in India. Paytm services were no longer just a novelty. They were an essential part of daily life for millions of people. The company had also expanded into a wide range of services, including e-commerce, digital banking, and even the stock markets. Investors took note, and the Paytm's rapid growth caught the attention of global investors, making it one of the India's most successful startups.
Now I call Agam and Ali to tell us about the soul behind the success of Paytm.
Founder's profile. Now let's talk about the visionary behind Paytm. Vijay Shekhar Sharma was born in a small town in Uttar Pradesh. Vijay came from humble beginnings. His family did not have background in business, but he had a strong vision to bring technology to the masses. His first venture was 197 Communications, which later provided into the mobile Paytm space.
Vijay's relentless pursuit of innovation and his ability to see opportunities where others did not allow Paytm to flourish. Despite facing early setbacks, including founding challenges, he remained focused on his mission to democratize financial services for millions of Indians. His story is one of the perseverance, vision, and determination.
Moving forward with the key milestone and achievements of Paytm, I now hand over the stage to Ansh.
Key milestones and achievements. Over the years, Paytm has achieved several key milestones. Launch of Paytm Wallet in 2014, a game changer in India's digital payments landscapes. Expansion into financial services. Paytm became more just a wallet offering services like insurance, wealth management, and lending. Demonetization in 2016. Paytm became the go-to solution for millions of people when cash became scarce. Paytm IPO in 2021. Paytm went public, marking another significant achievement in its journey as a market leader. Unicorn statue in 2018, a major milestone in Paytm growth journey.
let us know more about the impact and challenges faced by Paytm. While Paytm's growth has been impressive, it hasn't been without its challenges. The rise of competitors like Google Pay, PhonePe, and others has led to fierce competition in the digital payment space. Additionally, regulatory hurdles and the need to keep innovating have kept the company on its toes. But despite these challenges, Paytm continues to shape the future of India's financial ecosystem by offering a broad range of services from bill payments to wealth management and lending. Paytm has impacted millions of lives, especially in underserved areas. It has brought millions of Indians into the digital economy, empowering them to make secure, efficient transactions. Now, do you want to know why was the business named Paytm? Here's Ms. Navya to tell you the story behind it.
Why is the name Paytm? The name Paytm is simple but powerful. Pay represents its core purpose, enabling payments. TM stands for telecom money, a reference to its origin as a mobile recharge platform. Over time, as Paytm expanded into various services, and the name became synonymous with all forms of transactions.
Now let's discuss about cashback and referral program started by Paytm to enhance the number of customers. Paytm cashback offers available on mobile recharges, bill payments and shopping have been instrumental in incentivizing users to adopt digital payments, offering real value on everyday transactions. This is not only attract new users but also build trust and loyalty, encouraging them to use Paytm regularly. The referral program further amplified the growth by rewarding users for inviting friends and families, creating a viral growth loop that expands Paytm's users base at an accelerated pace. These combined efforts have been key to Paytm's widespread adoption across India, helping a platform become a household name and a dominant force in the country's digital payment landscape. At last, I and Ali would like to conclude the journey of a story and a brand in time.
In conclusion, Paytm journey is a testament to the power of vision, preservation, and innovation. From humble beginning as a mobile recharge platform to becoming a billion-dollar company, Paytm has revolutionized the way India transacts. Its impact is not just economic but also cultural, as it has played a key role in the shift towards a cashless economy.
The story of Paytm is not just about digital payments, it's about changing the way millions of people think about money, technology, and the future of financial inclusion. As we look to the future, Paytm will continue to lead the charges in digital payments, helping millions of Indians. Eventually, the world embrace a cashless future. Thank you for your kind attention.